As you all may know me, I'm building a new pedant for my education machines. Around here I'm from the EAC channel on Linux CNC, also in the forum. Here's the pedant, the first running version to show. So we are running on Arduino. I will upload here, I will change, as you see here, it's named Germany. I will change this so you see it's a new software in there. I say .de, go with this. I'll save. Here you see I'm working hard on this project since some days, and now upload this to the, I will change the mode so we see if it's uploaded. Here we can see it's uploading now, and it will reset the Arduino, the whole pedant, if the code is in. There we are. Here we are, Germany.de. So let's start by pressing the yellow button, as it says. Here's the first menu here. The machine selection is not able if the machine is on. So we first go to the machine here. Here you can see there are 3 machines in. I go, here's X, Y, Z. XYZ, the normal milling machine. Go back, decide the 5-axis. Machine menu, 5-axis. Go back. Here we are, 5-axis. The X chooser here. The rotary chooses the axis. There's only 4 in there. The 5th axis is chosen by this button. You can select or unselect. The rotary is now off. So back X. Now we can press. We go back to our standard model machine selection. It's ABC. Here we are with 3 axes. X, set here. This selects the increment. As you see here, down here, it's the increment selected. Let's go for 1 millimeter. The chuck button here, the MFG wheel, has also a switch. If I press, you will see here it's on and off, on and off. Here can move around, nothing will happen. If I press, it should count 120 on Y now. Yeah, so you can select, go down and go to, let's say 120. Here we are. Okay. As here you can see, we can enable the serial mode here, and we can send some commands to it. Let's say +E. So enable the machine. Oh, there's no E. It's difficult for me to press the buttons. Here now, here it's +E sent, and it should go on. Yes, you see enabled or not enabled, F1, F2 connected, and so on. And if I now chuck, it will send a command. Here, let's choose another axis, plus and minus, and if I choose another chuck, also chuck 1, and so it goes on. Now end this session here. I I don't know why I have to double click, unclick the serial port, but it only works that way. Here you can see it's the hull. Let's check if some we can see here. Here the machine section, value, feed section, and here's the increment is going to the MDE channels. Here we have hull UE. Here are the commands. Go a little nearer. You can see the commands for each axis. So close this down again. Here is the Python file that holds the connection between the pedant and the EMC. So close this down also. And we are up and running. So, and here we are with a running pedant. Hopefully it will work now. I see here, you see here the machine is set it. I will now start the pedant, not the pedant, the actually EMC machine. Here it's resetted, waiting for the axis to appear. Here standard screen, and if I now press here, the machine is not selectable. So we go to manual mode. Here you see F1 is pressed. If I unhide this and press the machine, here it's also indicated. It works also the other way. I unpress this and press this, the red button here, machine, it's recognized, works that way. Machine is on, and the most important here, most important thing is always E-stop mode. E-stop mode. This works. Out of E-stop mode, you need to manually get the machine working. So it's recognized here. You see the numbers are equal. If I chuck here, let's chuck here 40, it's also there. Now we go for the white buttons. The white buttons are enabled by F, here indicated, F1. Now I can chuck here around. If I press this, it's difficult to show. I'm in the right mode. Yes, we chuck X positive at 50. Here's the mode. Here it's 50. Let's go a little up. 150. If I press the blue one, the blue button, it goes up to maximum. Keep it pressed and see here it's moving. Also epsilon direction. Okay, this is working. So I here the chuck wheel is now not enabled. I cannot enable it as long as we are here in this mode. This can be programmed if you like it. I disable this. Now no move at all. Here, no move at all. So I now will enable, here's the selection, 1 millimeter, 0.1. I will now enable this and move, let's say, remove set a little deeper, -1, -2, my point, we are moving point. Yeah, let's move 100. See, it moves. Yeah. If I go a little more, it's you can turn all the way around. See, it will stop. It's only maybe 3 or 4 are recognized. The other is thrown away for safety reason, of course. Unhide this, and we are done.